What's the meaning of cavernous? Cavernous. Cavernous.
Cavernous. Cavernous. Cavernous is an adjective that describes something deep, vast and hollow. It often refers to a space or area that resembles a cave, characterized by large size and echoey acoustics. For example, a cavernous room may be one with very high ceilings or a large open space that seems endless. The term can also describe anything that has a similar quality of emptiness or hollowness, such as a voice. Overall, cavernous suggests a sense of vastness or emptiness that may seem awe-inspiring or intimidating to those who experience it.